Hi, I'm Monica Madnani, Tarot card reader, spiritual healer. So we'll be talking about predictions about July month 2020, Aries. And in the end, you will see a small something which you already know about it, but we will just do something which I want all of you to practice this. It's a very simple form of mudra. So you have to just see that. So later on, that's at the end of the video. So this is for Aries 2020 July month. We all know we had just seen two eclipses in the month of June. Now again on 4th and 5th of July there is a lunar eclipse. That's fine. All these are scientific phenomena that's happening. Let it happen. Let's see what Aries says. Let me open up the cards. Let me remove few cards to see what Aries are saying. Okay. What is written for Arians? Okay. For Arians, things are going very, very slow. But leave it as everything is happening according to the divine plan. And don't dwell on negative thoughts, that whatever happened in the past, just let it go. Okay, little bit of financial constraint can be seen. You may face little bit of financial constraint. That is only for few initial days of July. But your creativity, I can see, will be on top. You will feel as if you want to fly in the air, and your creativity will be just like you want to show on your talent. If you work on your talent, you will get name also. Yes, lunar eclipse will bring a lot of changes in your career life. You may get some new ideas, which I can see from the cards. Some very new, good idea which will be very good in future. Very good prospect for you work-wise. You will have support of your family in your professional life. When you all need support from a family. If support from the family is missing, we just get disturbed mentally. So support also you will find from your family in your professional life. But be tactful with dealing with clients. If you're dealing with clients, you're having your own business, be very tactful, very diplomatic. Loved ones, in your love partner, in your relationship, please look at the positive traits and ignite the spark back in your relationship, which is missing, so ignite that spark again. And if you work on it, you will see that romance will bloom. So just work on it. For students, let's talk about students, because students are facing a lot of issues at present because of this pandemic crisis. We really don't know. 10th and 12th people, children are very much afraid. Students are learning from home. Online classes are happening. But so students, it's a favorable month. Your hard work will not go in vain. So you will find whatever hard work you have put, you will get the desired results. Yes, take care of your diet. I can see that a diet train, so please take care of your diet, as there are a lot of green color in your card. So I would suggest go for green vegetables and lots of pulses. And just for calming your mind, as your Arian anger, do pranayam for good health and good immunity. We all need good immunity and good health. So just do simple basic pranayam. As pranayams are just a little bit of chanting or whatever you feel like, just whatever. Just do this. You will feel a lot of changes in your life. Okay, so now this is Arian month, July month, 2020 prediction for Aries. So now we will be talking about a mudra. Now we all do mudras and we all know about mudras. What is something new I'm teaching? No, I'm not teaching something new. I just want you to incorporate this mudra in your daily life, daily routine. My body is made up of 5 elements. We all know about it. Agni, Vayu, Akashi, Bhumi, Jala. These are the 5 elements. So when there's a disturbance in the body, we suffer from disease and imbalanced mind. So how does this mudra, or how will it help us? First thing you will ask me this, right? So mudra, what that does, to our body, it produces harmony among all body parts. So we like to have harmony in our relationship. Same way we want harmony in our body parts also. as well as correct functioning of our entire whole body. We can do this mudra for daily 15 minutes, and it's a very, very simple mudra. So today's mudra, which I'll be teaching you, will have effect grounding your mind. We all need to be grounded. Our mind has to be grounded as we are going through a lot of pandemic crisis. We are listening to a lot of news which is, hampering our mind, daily, and we need to stay focused. It's very good for people who love to meditate. This mudra calms your mind, lift your mood up, and will have clear thinking. We always use in pranayam, meditative pranayam when we do. So it's a very simple mudra. Just take your 2 fingers together and with your thumb, just do this. And sit in a meditative pose when you're doing this. Do this for 15 minutes daily. People who like to chant Om can chant Om. Whatever they feel like chanting, they can chant, or just, let it flow. Let the thoughts flow in your mind when you are just doing this. Just hold on to it. Or just keep on breathing in and breathe out, and just hold on to do this 2 fingers. This is very good mudra for relaxing our mind. So we all want to be grounded as we are entering unlock period. So this is the grounding, So once you do this, you will find the difference. You like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you.